Local businesses are looking for quality leads that want to buy now and are highly relevant. Did you know that people searching Google locally, especially with the addition of the near me term, have 75% to convert to a sale? But do you show up on local search? Let's say you have an HVAC business and someone is searching for AC repair near me. Would your business come up in the results? If not, you're leaving a ton of money on the table. You're actually leaving the best and fastest buyers on the table. But what if there was a simple, inexpensive, low-risk way to boost your sales in the next few weeks by getting your business on top of the local search and map results? Get ready to dominate a 4 to 5 mile radius from your location and get all an influx of interested customers your way. With our unique technology and combined 40+ years of experience in search marketing, we drive results. Get a boost in leads and traffic guaranteed in as little as 45 days. Book a call today.